That wasn't good. I think I like mountain bike helmet better, man. I like the mountain bike helmet better. I feel a little cooler with the visor, you know? Hear that? It's in the lowest gear, and it just like was kicking like, I don't know. Like where's there to fucking go when it's down there? I did that. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Of course, it's not doing it while I'm staring down. I don't know. Go straight. Ooh. Seems to do it in twos. This wash that's to the right, it's on both sides. It's just like a gravel strip, and then you have to cross each major street. But it's just like, it's going diagonal. It goes to Sherman Way. Do you want to do one of them? That. We're gonna make it over there. Start doing laps here?
Yeah.
The river or the wash, the whole wall is like painted like murals, and it's just like a story of Southern California, like Los Angeles. I don't know. It's kind of cool. They like constantly kind of upkeep it. Kind of amazing, actually. Do you see the Chavez Ravine thing? Here we are. We have a red light. Car turning right behind me, I'm sorry. I'm in the bike lane. See if we can make this. We made it. Where all the rich people live. South of the boulevard, they call it. Sobo. I'm coming. You like it up here? On the trail back there, Poison Ivy? I was looking at it, I'm like, can we ride through there? But it looks like it's hiking. This trail divides 90210 zip code. Look at that stupid colorful house. Straight ahead. Remember I shot a beautiful picture of my bike against this rock? We fixed the high end but not the low end. Good. Got a little climb right here. Morning, or afternoon, or whatever it is. I feel like I'm with Turks in Ohio. Oh, this is the Hollywood Hills, dude. We gotta climb though, look. It's annoying. It's like steps and people. There's a lot of turtles in that lake. Tons of turtles. But it's fun when you're hauling ass down here, and then you hit this, like hit it anyway. This next part's whack. Mulholland and cold water combined.
Ooh.
Sometimes I get 37 miles an hour down this hill.